So this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, also known as maida. This is 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of oil, some baking soda and baking powder, cocoa powder, lemon juice and some vanilla extract. So this is going to be a vegan recipe. So let's start with the recipe. In bowl I have 3/4 cup of warm water, actually hot water. So now I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of sugar to it and some vanilla extract and oil and mix it really well. Until the sugar dissolves. So after mixing well in a sieve, add the flour, three tablespoons of cocoa powder, one-fourth teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix this all well and sieve. So we are going to mix this until a smooth batter. It's looking really chocolatey and it's a little bit thick batter as we are going to steam this. We don't want a very thin batter. So it's little bit thick, so I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of water to it and mix it really well. And we are going to do the preparations for preparing the cake. So you can see the batter. Like this we want, single thread or volume consistency. So let's prepare the cooker now. So this is the cooker I am using. At the bottom I am going to place this stand, so that the cake does not be on the base of the cooker. After that I am going to add about a cup of water to it as we are going to steam the cake. And this is a perforated plate with some holes. I have molded it, that's why it can fit in this cooker. And like this. And we are going to keep the tin over here and steam the cake. So now let's prepare the cake tin. This is the normal steel box that I am using for baking the cake, and this is about 6 inch. I am going to add about half a teaspoon of oil to it and grease it really well. You may also use cooking spray. We just now prepared our tin after greasing it well. So this smooth batter, I am going to add this 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This will help in rising the cake. Mix this really well and immediately add to the tin. We have just now added the lemon juice, that is 1 tablespoon, and after mixing it nice, I'm going to not to wait fast and add this to the cake tin. With the whistle, without the whistle, for about 18 to 20 minutes, and check with the fork. Adding the cake, just tap it twice, thrice, or and add to the cooker and cover it and let it bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. Removing the vessel and let it bake for about 18 to 20 minutes, and we will check after that. We are about 19 minutes and we have just switched off the flame. We are going to open the cooker and check the cake. OMG, you can see how much rice it has been. So let's check it with the toothpick. So here I have a toothpick. It's too hot. It's too hot. It came out clear. So the cake has been baked. So we are going to take out and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes till it cools. This cake has been resting for about 5 minutes. Now we are going to run the knife over its edges so that it leaves out the edges, and then turn it around and let it rest for about half an hour in the fridge, so that as we have steamed it, it may be little bit soft, so that it gets a little bit done. So let's see after 30 minutes. After decorating it, it's ready, and I am not professional in it. I was not able to decorate it nicely. Sorry for that. You may do your own artwork. This is just chocolate and some whipped cream. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and do check out our blog cukcake.blogspot.com. Do check out our Facebook page facebook.com/cookingshow. Thank you for watching.